All right, guys, here we go. 2024 Prestige H2 PYT 816 coming up next. 10 packs per box, 10 cards per pack. Could find those draft day signatures. Worldwide celebrations, more ultra rares. And we got 10 numbered parallels. Should be 1 numbered parallel per pack. Again, after this one is Stadium Club Hobby PYT 831. So if you're waiting for that one, that will be next. Here's our empty box. Bryce Young, DeForest Buckner, Rashad White, Boye Mafi, Jaden Hicks, Mason Smith, Galaxy of Aaron Jones, out of 399, Jatavian Sanders. We have Puka Nacua on the For the Record. Adam Vinatieri on the Living Legends Kid Reporter card. Second pack. We got an Aaron Rodgers Heroes. Jahmyr Gibbs. Jeff Okudah. Tank Dell, Kenneth Walker III, rookies Braylon Trice, Javon Solomon, DeAndre Hopkins is going to be our Galaxy, Aaron Jones out of 999, time stamped Jack Jones. Youth Movement, Michael Mayer. Montez Sweat. Tyler Algier. Dorsey Levens. Nick Bosa. Kamari Lannister. Jalen Ford. Cooper DeJean on the Galaxy rookie there. Nate Wiggins. That's going to be our numbered parallel out of 199. Rookie Nate Wiggins for the Ravens. Prestigious Pros, Jared Goff for Detroit. Next pack. Got a Kid Reporter card to start us off. Najee Harris on the Powerhouse. We'll get to that side of the in a second. Cleveland Browns, Jerry Jeudy, Romeo Doubs, Greg Lloyd, George Pickens, rookie Marius Mims, Jatavian Sanders, Terrell Bernard on the Galaxy for the Bills, Chuba Hubbard out of 599 for the Panthers. Then we have the Alma Maters. This will go JSN, Justin Fields, Stroud. So this will get random if we have 3 different owners. Looks like we do on that. So we'll random that off. Still have time to get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel. There's the Calvin Hill Living Legends. Jonathan Cooper. Barry Sanders. Randy Moss. Donovan McNabb. Liatu rookie. Blake Corum. Randy Moss on the Galaxy for the Vikings spot. Cole Bishop out of 999. 166 out of 999 on that one. Any given Sunday A.J. Brown for the Eagles. Let's top load what we have here, and then we'll finish the last 5 packs of this break. Get those guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel in this one. Make sure you guys grab the last spots in the final 3 breaks tonight. Link in the chat. We'll be back again on Tuesday as well. A full slate of breaks set up for Tuesday. Up next after this one is the Stadium Club Hobby Box Break 2024 Stadium Club Baseball coming up next. There's CJ Stroud on the Heroes for the Texans. Drake London, Justin Herbert, Max Crosby, Matt Judon, Josh Newton, Say Isaac, Michael Vick, Trayvon Walker out of 599. For the record, Deron Bland. Living Legends. We have Justin Tucker, DJ Moore, Gardner Minshew, Ramondre Stevenson, Marshawn Lloyd, TJ Tampa for Baltimore, Bradley Chubb on the Galaxy. Ray Lewis is going to be our numbered parallel. That is out of 299, going to the Ravens. Another alma mater, Aiden Hutchinson, Kwity Paye, and Rashawn Gary. That's the Colts, Packers, and who was the other one? Colts, Packers, and Lions. I assume that one is one. Yep, we'll random that with the other alma mater. Kurt Warner, Chris Jones, Terry McLaurin, Roger McGarry, Austin Booker, Anenis Rakestraw Jr., Vinny Testaverde on our Galaxy. We have a numbered parallel, Prestigious Pros out of 149. That is Puka Nacua. Zaire Franklin, Zach Charbonnet on the Youth Movement. Powerhouse Patrick Mahomes, insert right there. We have Nick Chubb, Isaiah Pacheco, Josh Allen, Tony Pollard, Gabriel Murphy, Nate Wiggins, Jeremiah Trotter on the Galaxy, Champ Bailey out of 999. That's going to Denver Broncos, and another alma maters, this time between Vikings, Ravens, and Seahawks. That one we'll random off with the rest. Last pack of the break should have our last numbered parallel in here. There's George Teague, Kyle Hamilton, Mike Irvin, Trevor Lawrence, Antoine Winfield Jr., Jalen Polk, Brock Bowers, Terrell Davis is going to be our Galaxy. Tyreek Smith is going to be the final numbered parallel out of 299. 179 out of 299. Any given Sunday, CJ Stroud. Let's top load, then we'll random off the alma maters, do a recap, and then we'll move on to Stadium Club Hobby Box Break. All right, we'll do the left, middle, right, random. So middle teams, left teams, right teams. We'll see which ones get it. Let me pull up the list randomizer. Let's pull up the screen here. So we'll do left, right, middle randomization. We'll roll the dice, randomize this list how many times, and whoever's in the one spot after the final randomization, those teams will get the cards here. So we'll roll. We got 2 and 5 for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's our 7th and final time. 7 times. The teams on the left will get the alma mater. So those teams are, we got the Baltimore Ravens for this one. Kyle Hamilton and the Ravens. Aiden Hutchinson and the Lions. Jackson Smith and Jigba in Seattle. So the Lions, Seattle, and Ravens get the alma maters. And let's do our recap. Out of 599, that is Trayvon Walker. Out of 299, Ray Lewis for the Ravens. Puka Nacua out of 149. Out of 999, Champ Bailey. Out of 299, Tyreek Smith. Out of 399, Jatavian Sanders. Out of 999, that is Aaron Jones for the Vikings. Cooper DeJean. Meek Wiggins out of 199, rookie for the Ravens. Out of 599, that is Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers. And Cole Bishop out of 999 for the Bills. All right, that does it for this one. Up next is our Stadium Club Hobby Break.